In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your Doordash and Uber taxes with TurboTax. If you deliver or drive for gig platforms, TurboTax can walk you through reporting that self-employment income and the related expenses. Before you start, sign in to TurboTax for the current tax year and have your key documents handy, like any 1099-K or 1099-NEC forms from the platforms, your mileage log, and receipts for expenses such as tolls, parking, supplies, or a phone plan used for work. These aren't new steps, just things that make the process smoother. Once you're in your TurboTax return, move your mouse to hover over the income section in the main navigation. This opens the income options so you can quickly jump to the right place without clicking through extra screens. Next, open the wages and income summary. This page is your dashboard for all income categories. You'll see areas for W-2 wages, interest and dividends, and most importantly for gig drivers, self-employment. We'll focus on that. Select the self-employment section. This is where you'll report your DoorDash and Uber earnings and expenses that flow to Schedule C. TurboTax will help you set up a business profile, typically something like rideshare and delivery services. You'll enter the income reported to you and can add any income not shown on a form, along with your eligible deductions. If you've been here before, click Revisit to continue where you left off. Revisit simply reopens your existing entries so you can review or add more information, such as updated mileage or additional expenses from the year. When TurboTax asks whether you had self-employment or gig income, choose yes. This confirms that your earnings from delivery and rides are business income, not W-2 wages, and ensures the software builds the correct forms and questions for you. You'll need the premium level of TurboTax Online to enter self-employment income and take related deductions. If you're not already on premium, the product will prompt you to upgrade so you can access the full set of Schedule C tools, mileage tracking options, and expense categories designed for gig work. A few quick tips as you proceed. Enter your gross income exactly as reported, then let TurboTax guide you through common deductions like mileage or the standard mileage rate, vehicle expenses if you track actual costs, and work-related items like insulated bags or part of your phone bill used for work. Keep your dates and totals consistent with your records, and save your documentation in case you ever need it. After these steps, you'll be in the right place to finish entering your DoorDash and Uber income and expenses, review the results, and continue to complete and file your return with confidence.